Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style Dominican porridge. So here, I wash the Dominican. Now I put it to soak with bay leaves and cinnamon stick overnight in the fridge. Okay, now we're going to boil the Dominican. Here, I have some water boiling. I just add the Dominican to it. Now I open a coconut. Now I just cut up the coconut and blend it. You can check out the full video on the channel. Also, I will list the ingredients below. Okay, now I'm just going to strain off the coconut milk and add it to the hominy corn. So now I'm going to make them cook until they come soft. I do not use a lot of water because I want the hominy corn porridge to thick, not water. So I add cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, brown sugar, some vanilla extract. Now I add some sweet condensed milk to stir it. Now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. And look how nice and creamy that is, my people. Here, I'm going to grate some nutmeg on it, fresh nutmeg. Look at this, nice and thick. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel.